So today we're going to take a look at how you can check your CPU and RAM usage and other sorts of usage like facts on your Mac. All we're going to do is go to Launchpad and we're just going to look for Activity Monitor. It's typically just stored in your other folder, just here, Activity Monitor, and just give that a second. And you're going to start seeing here down in the bottom how much the system's using, how much the user is using, and what idle just basically means the stuff not used. So as you can see here, as long as this app is open, it's going to be producing a graph, and on this graph you can see where we have the usage spikes and other things. So if you go up to here, you can see just different things about what's using the CPU and everything like that. We can also check it for the memory. So you can see at the moment, we can see we've got 16 gigs of RAM, and in our memory used, 5.4 has been used by the apps, so we're only using 9.27 gigabytes of RAM. We can also check on our energy usage, which is, we can also check on what's been written to our disk and everything, and there's the network one. But we go back to this, you're just going to see, it's very useful to understand what's using your RAM or what applications are open and slowing your computer down. Hope you find this useful. Please like, comment and subscribe.